Hi viewers, back again on the Wijaya Training Center channel. This is educational channel for civil engineering and construction management. Before we start our training, we invite the audience to click subscribe, like, and share so that our channel can grow and success.
Sonder test is another word for cone penetration test and is abbreviated as CAPTAIN. This test is carried out in order to measure the bearing capacity of the soil. To perform this test, a cone penetrometer is used. This tool has a shape with a pointed conical tip. This cone has an angle of 60 degrees and with a tip area measuring 10 square centimeters. Sonder testing is based on field testing to obtain a calculation of the bearing capacity of the soil based on Sonder data. Equipment tools for Sonder test. 1. Sonder machine complete with Sonder pipe. 2. Conus or Sonder eyes and biconus or Sonder pipe rods. 3. Stopcock. 4. Hydraulic. 5. Manometer 0 to 60 kg per square centimeter for small readings. 6. Manometer 100 to 600 kg per square centimeter for large readings. 7. Cleaning tools for hydraulic oil.
There are steps to do Sondir test. Stage 1. Put the anchor into the ground. Stage 2. Do assembling tools according to applicable standards. Stage 3. Make sure the tool is vertical to the ground so that it can perform its function later. Stage 4. Put the chain on. This chain functions as a tool player. So that the chain does not choke, it is necessary to apply lubricant. Stage 5. Install both manometers on the hydraulics. Stage 6. Attach the anchor fastener to the tool to lock the tool. This binder works so that the tool is in a stable position and does not move during the test. Stage 7. Hydraulic oil filling. Make sure that the hydraulic oil has no air bubbles. Stage 8. Make adjustments so that the biconus is not tilted and is straight vertically on the ground. If the tool is not perfectly vertical, then the measurement results will not be accurate. Stage 9. Mark the point where you want to enter the biconus. This needs to be done to make it easier when the cone is inserted into the soil at the desired point. Stage 10. Insert the first pipe that has been connected with a biconus cone. Lower the hydraulic pipe into the ground. Then by turning the lever of the tool so that the pipe undergoes a pressing process and is pushed into the ground. Stage 11. Once the first pipe is in the ground, raise the hydraulics. Stage 12. Install the second pipe and do as the first step, until the second pipe into the ground. Stage 13. Insert the next pipe again until the desired depth is obtained. To find out can be done by reading the manometer. Manometer readings are usually carried out every time the pipe is pushed to a depth of 20 centimeters. Stage 14. Do these steps until accurate Sondir data is collected. To be able to calculate the bearing capacity of the soil based on Sondir data.